So, hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to round number 3 of today's stream, where I'm trying to improve myself in the beautiful and often frustrating art of programming. I split all of the rounds into 2 intervals. I do 5 minutes of typing exercise and 35 minutes of going through documentation, going through tutorial, developing applications. And now we are doing application. We are spending some time in a backend of Java and Spring right now. Who knows what will be the next step? Yeah, as most of you probably know, I did wrote a small application which tracks my progress, how I progress in my typing exercises. This is the error rate, this is the words per minute. Error rate goes down, which is really nice. I don't care that much about the words per minute right now, the speed. Yeah, so let's get into it. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great day, night, evening, morning, whatever. Bye. All right. I'm such a wreck. What the hell is this? Which language is it? Haskell. And almost everyone left. Oh well, I don't blame you. And maybe it's late or whatever. 5:40. We have 2 minutes. How long is the next lesson? You are here. Oh, that's good. So the important people are here. That's good. Okay. Hey. Glacier is here too. Yeah, and he talks too. And he did also like recommended some of the redeems. Oh. It's again, right? Okay, so I'll stop this. Let's not let's new module new okay. True. New implement service, new this for test implement new test. True. For each requires new test. for each get requires new test. Oh. False. The fuck? Okay, why? So step by step, we create this DTO. That's okay. When it tries to save any ingredient, then I will return those. That's okay. But we have a problem with the assertion. Now we are getting 404, but we were expecting 201. How the fuck is that possible? So that is the create ingredient in the controller. That is here. So we do save on ingredient service, and that returns that. I did not touch this. How come it fails suddenly? How come it returns 404? Yeah. There's nothing to fucking debug. Okay, so we oh no. This guy, and you'll put here as well, and then we go to the test, and I will go to the test. Ingredient controller test. Good. Now ingredient controller test debug. Shouldn't you fucking what this fails on? By the way, expected to one. It returns always. Yes, I did. But it returns always 404 now. Fuck. Well, I will put another breakout here, breakpoint, then ingredient service, save. We will go to the controller, test, controller, here we go, then post mapping, here we have the breakpoint. Hey Kodiko, you just came in for the debug time. Power mount, oh yeah, of course. Toggle power mount, 5 minutes. Fire! I just got the second boss of Valheim. Oh, congratulations. So Viking is playing Viking game, huh? Okay, okay. It's like playing real life. Yeah, that will, but I still, it should like break on the, it completely ignores my breakpoints. Oh, okay, it's not. Step over, step over, step over, step over, step. Where is it now? Console. Insertion errors, fails. This is bullshit. Well, I did put it in the test. Oh yeah, I did. But I did put it in there too. You know, in the controller. Here's the breakpoint. See? Create ingredient. And also I want on this guy. Here we have a breakpoint 2 now. I didn't. That's that. You're right. You're right. You are right. That's good, but I'm still a little bit worried about. Oh fuck! No! I didn't want that. If I try to run it in debugger, just doesn't stop any of my breakpoint. Okay, it does. I guess you have to fix it, and then without errors it stops on the breakpoints. Anyway. So just better. Okay, so let's see, what do we have here? I had Okay, I approve. Complete power mode. We still a minute or so to go. Uh-huh. So that one runs, but I created a thing and not test for it. Test void should return but that is not get all ingredients. You can write test and then have to go. Oh, really? Ah. Get ingredient by ID should return query ingredient. And this one should return 201. There's no. It says status okay. That's wrong. Get ingredient by ID in the controller. Should return 201, right? Returns 200. No, that was created. That was created. That was created in get. It should return 200. Get it should return 200. So go back to test. And in the get ingredient, we get OK status or come on, test. So maybe uppercase. Test. Doesn't work for me. Just weird. If I do this one, I had test. I don't test. Weird. Test. Void show. Turn row 04. print yep, like so. So when, oh fuck, this should, yeah, there's the optional. Oh, I forgot to turn off the, I always forgot to turn it off. When an ingredient service dot get by ID one oh, then return how do I create empty optional? Empty. Okay. And then we'll do mock MVC perform mock builders get base URL class 123. Oh, excuse me. And expect let me see what I do. Press. Oh, so I can test method. Yeah, sure. I don't want to edit template. I just want to test. Enter. Ah, here we go. Thank you. Status should be it was 400, right? Something, but how is it called? That was 404, so that is not found. Status. It is not found. Okay. What is your problem here? Unhandled exception. Yeah, sure. We will throw. Okay. Run the tests. Nice. Which fix error? No thanks. That one I know. And this one I use as well, the F2. Those are very, very useful. Okay, so status not found, and that's about it. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. We covered the test case, which we implemented here. So I don't need those breakpoints anymore. And that. And we might be committing. Exceptions, ingredients. Okay, so what do we have here? The exception, so let's see it. That looks okay. Then we have this guy, so we did, which is the next one, F7? F7. We removed this guy, changed this guy, okay. And the next file is here, is the optional. We are returning the optional instead of ingredient. And yeah, that's okay. And here here's the thing, change the API in the tests. And yeah, returning optional and the test for 404. Maybe this should be and status okay, 200. Okay, that looks good. Okay, and what we did, we Guten Abend, wie geht's Ihnen? Welcome to the channel, Forestsoft. Or wie geht's dir? I don't know, like it's always like difficult to know which form to use with people. Learning and link of not finding ingredient backend. Okay, cool. So commit. Oh, there are some issues, huh? There are some issues. I had to do. That's all. That's all. That's it. Oh yeah, this is like already we did that. I just did not remove this. F4 is the shortcut. Sometimes I learn something new, so sometimes it's good, sometimes it's annoying. For jumping to file. Oh, thank you. Got it. Holy crap, am I on the right? Yes, I am. I am on the right. French. I'll push it. Because I'm pusher. I'm pusher. Are you a pusher? I am pusher today. Yes, I have the latest IntelliJ. I believe. If they did not release like yesterday a new one. Oh yeah, the power mode is complete. Oh, that one is complete as well. And do you use the change list from Git? Do you mean this? Or what? I preferred how it was before. Those branches. I don't know what you mean. This one. Yeah, well, I did prefer. I think it was like. Yeah, I don't switch the change list really on this project. Enable the staging feature. You prefer what more? The staging feature? What is the staging feature? You have to add the changes. Yeah, well, in here I select the files which I want to, you know, like stage and commit, and IntelliJ does those two in one step, basically. Yeah, I always have to select what I want to commit. Okay, so we did this, I think, but sometimes in different change lists. Okay. I think I will do one more lap after this one. Now can use git staging. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, Control K, and then what? Like it will be somewhere in settings and enable it. Oh. Where? You should request on. You should work on request validation. God fucking A, there's so much things. Well, you know what? I will have a look into the staging later. So right now it could me throw off the developing cycle. It's good to know that exists. Maybe I will have a look where Alt Shift S. You mean project settings, right? Something, I don't know. Whatever. Validation of what? Of user input. It's Hibernate Validator. You have to validate on front end and back end. The key promoter, I believe so, yes. I mean, oh, I don't think I have it here in this instance. I have to in the another one. This is the presenter, but I had the promoter. I don't have it installed on this instance of IntelliJ. Front end for user experience and backend for Hacker. Well, yeah, I want to check if the service I did create. Oh wait, there's nothing to test really. I'll just remove this breakpoint. For later. Okay, copy. Paste. Okay. Disappeared. What the fuck? Oh well. Anyway. We have a place for those things. So comments, staging, get staging and in the widget. Okay, how does it look? Forest soft, okay. So I'll fix that. Okay, thank you. Close this. I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. I will save this. What did I today? Not much. Just wrote some tests. Redefine API. Well, wrote an. Yeah, I changed API a little bit. Well, I say this one is done as well. So I guess I have those. I think I actually that might be actually finishing the feature. Yep. Here. Code main API change. Yes, I do. It is. Yeah, the TDD is in the back of my mind, but currently for the TDD you have to know what you will be doing, and currently most of the time I have no idea what I'm doing, so I don't know what the test should be. That's the problem. That's the problem currently. So this is the API change, right? How can I see code file? Okay, I would like just the change. Well, I have to create Don't think of TDD when you will be feeling good in Spring Boot, and you can still learn that, you know. Yeah, well, the thing is, there's not much to learn, right? You just write the test first, and that's it. But if you don't know what you will be doing, it's hard to write test for it. So, yeah, I think you're right. I will link the issue to that one. Projects, labels, linked pull. Oh, okay. So I need to create a pull request then. Code. API change. API change. API. Okay, create pull request. And linked issues. Use closing. Okay, create pull request. That's that. Then you'll go to issues. Right. Okay. Linked pull request. API change. Okay. API change good. Okay, so and this concludes round number 3, and we will do round number 4 because I feel like so. So I'll stop this timer. Shame. Hey, Orkson. This one, right? Yes. Yeah, I'm paid for the functional code, not for the tests, right? Well, oh, there's a similar. Only check Norris. Shame. I will. Yeah, the TD lecture is awesome. I should put it into links on my page, like awesome lectures or something like that, because I will do that right away, because I do forget about it. Oh, first of all, I will stop recording.